This one's for all my middle-aged ladies. Come in. If you're a vegetarian, go ahead and scroll away now. So, Mama Bird has itty bitty tiny babies in there. And this heifer has not been eating her seeds. And so I'll be honest, I was offended at first, but I know better now. ChatGPT and I have been talking, and she's a wren. She's a Carolina wren, and they eat mostly worms and things like that. And so she's been still like out here killing it on her own, and like hunting and gathering and taking it back to the babies. So not today. Walmart delivery shouldn't be this easy. Are you kidding me right now? We're about to do this. Hold on. I'm gonna go get, that's her teacup. I'm gonna put it in her teacup because Bogey's also here, and I don't really feel like Bogey eating worms would be a good thing. So I don't want you to see my booty while I'm getting that down. So hold on. Okay, we're back. See, I mean, she had a whole smorgasbord, but it's okay. We're not doing that. Just, It's okay, Felicia. If you don't like it, I don't like it. We're doing earthworms. So, ugh. I should have gotten gloves for this. I haven't touched a worm since I was like 10 and fishing with Dad, and he made me dig up my own worms. Okay. Oh, they're in there. They're in there. So maybe, you know what? Maybe not my No, come on, middle-aged ladies, get with me. I was gonna say, you know, get your grandson or somebody to help, but no, just go for it. Look. Look at them. I feel, you know what? It makes me feel bad. I feel like I bought a pet and then I'm being a bad pet parent, but I ain't keeping these worms. And they gotta eat, it's nature. So, do I leave them in the dirt? I don't think I leave them in the dirt, right? I think I just put them in the, it's gonna be baked over there and the sun's hitting it right now. Okay, just do it. Okay. Oh, it's stretchy. Okay. I'm gonna have to dig it out. Okay. Oh. Oh my God, there's so many. Okay, there's. Should we start? How many should we start with? Why is this one so stuck? Okay. She's a little bird. We're gonna start with 2. Oh, they are ticked. Look at them. So mad. So mad. Okay. All right. Let's see. Okay. Good luck, little guys. It's been nice knowing you. They're so confused right now. I'm really sorry. Consider it survival of the fittest. If she doesn't eat you, you know what? This future is looking real bleak for you guys. All right. So I'm gonna hang this back up and I'm gonna keep you posted. I'm gonna go wash my hands now.
One's crawling out again. Oh, he's just around the side. Where's the other one?
Dude. Ooh,
Maybe you'll just put him in the bird nest with the babies.
they, I want to choke them. Why did he do that? Oh, he's escaped. Bad news, ladies and gentlemen. I didn't know it was going to be a problem, but the worms escaped. So I didn't leave them any dirt in there. Apparently, the mom's slow to find this, so I've got to keep the worms happy just long enough for her to find them. So we're going to put a little dirt in here this time and hope for the best. So, I tried to save them when I didn't even know the first one escaped, but the last one I kept on putting him back in there, and so we're gonna leave the new ones a little bit of dirt, and we're gonna sit it down lower and hope that. Oh, I need a table to do this on. You can't see squat there. Okay, let's see. Mom's in the background, so wondering who her daughter is. Like, who is this person that will touch a worm? Surely not yours, right? Okay. They're balled up together.
Can't just shake them out.
No, they're stuck. Don't move when I do it. I don't like it when you curl around my fingers. Okay. Look. Okay. I don't know how many's in there.
My sisters and brother used to chase me with worms. They had me terrified.
You want to touch one?
No.
Better luck this time, guys. Maybe we won't have any escapees. We'll see. Well, today I did something completely out of my comfort zone, and it failed. What am I going to do with the extra earthworms that I have? Maybe I can stick them in my plants. Maybe they'll be happy there. I hear they're great for plants. Okay, so I'm just going to have to let Felicia do her thing. In other news, there is good news for Felicia. She's not a single mom because I've done so much recording trying to catch her eating the earthworms that I bought her. I did find out that Felicia has a husband, so the children will not be growing up in a broken home. That's good. I'm just real sad that my venture didn't pay off, though. I'm trying to be a good grandma. She doesn't appreciate it. I'm not touching those earthworms again, though, so she's just going to have to do whatever she's been doing. Another good news, though. I did end up, yesterday I wasn't going to do any projects. I told myself I wasn't going to do any projects, but I did. I finished a piece of art, and I also had an unfinished project sitting around. We've got a palm tree that keeps tipping over, one of those fake palm trees. It's the most unstable thing that I've ever seen in my entire life. So I concreted it into a plastic bucket. So that project's down. I retaped some lamps that I spray painted a long time ago, and then I just realized that the spray paint didn't cover everything. So I retaped those. I'll probably finish those today. So I'm getting stuff done. I'm just rolling with the punches, getting stuff done like a boss over here. But for the time being, I am most sad that the bird did not eat the purchased worms that I touched with my bare hands. Ugh. Okay. Well, you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.